no, the camera's fine.
Recording?
Yeah.
You recording now?
You.
Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing the bridesmaid shoot.
I'm at the F salon and you can see me standing with the tripod. It's a beautiful salon as you can see, and one of my favorite. All my girls are getting ready there. You can see them do their hair. That's my sister. See her on camera for the first time. Divya, say hi. Say hi. That's Neha. Neha, say hi. Megha again. Hi. Vibhuti, right? Who's this sitting and talking to who in the morning? Say hi. That's Akriti from Team Guilty Bites, by the way. That beautiful girl with curly locks is Anushka. Say hi. Hi. That's Varsha getting her makeup done. She cannot say hi to us right now. And that's my childhood friend Ishu. And that's my outfit. Ooh. Guess who's here?
Hi.
My childhood best friend, and she's supposed to be on time, but she's the one who's coming last.
Happy Friendship Day.
Same to you.
Started recording and you're laughing at me.
When you get like this.
Okay, so now I'm getting my hair done. Like you can see, I have some curls which have been tied over. I can't wait to see what the final result is going to look like. My hair artist at Salon is doing some kick-ass job, trying to do. Let's see what it turns out to be. Everyone's almost ready, like with their hair mostly done, and some of them are getting their makeup done. So I'm really nervous and excited. I've never done something like this before. I'm sure you are aware of it. And I hope my memory card has enough space for us to do the rest of the vlog. Yeah. Guys, so we've reached Taj Mansingh. It's a beautiful hotel and I'm yet to see the venue where we're shooting today. They've done some beautiful floral work, so I'm really excited. This is my entire look. I'm carrying this clutch by Ru Saru and beautiful jewelry by Zareen that I will also be wearing on my mehendi, and this gorgeous outfit by Ritu Kumar. I'm waiting for all the girls to come. 3 of them are standing here and looking at me shooting and recording, and some of them are yet to come into the room. I'll just take you through the room little bit without ruining my outfit. That's the gorgeous view that we have from the window. There's a beautiful pool. That's Sanchita. There's no light on your face. So these are the 2 most important women in my life. The one you see on left is my elder sister, and the one you see on right is Sanchita. Guys, you can say hi. Hi!
They're both looking gorgeous in their beautiful Ritu Kumar outfits.
And the jewelry.
And Zareen jewelry, and they're yet to carry their clutches which are lying on the bed. That's the view of our room. And that's Nishna, and someone's calling.
Say hi! You're on
Chalo chalo baar. This is our room, right? Yeah, that's the venue. So okay, we're going to the venue. Oh my god.
Wow.
Look at that. Hi guys!
Hello.
I'm doing a vlog, so yeah.
You should look at the place.
my god, look at this venue. That's the team from Taj. That's my girl. Okay, now it's time to get started with the shoot.
The bridesmaid shoot, and I think it was one of the most beautiful / magical moments of my life. I always wanted to do something special and memorable for the wedding, and I think this was the highlight of the whole journey. I'm sure there'll be many more highlights, but this was really nice because it was done with people who really matter to me, my friends who've been with me through thick and thin, the ones that I've met at work, childhood, school, college. I have them all here today, and and I do not think anybody could have done it better but you, Megha, who's right behind the camera. And I don't know, I'm so nervous, and at the same time I'm feeling slightly emotional because this was like my rundown for the wedding and how I'm going to look like. And today I really, for first time, I had that moment of okay, I'm going to be a bride soon. Thank you to each one of you who's in the room and those who've left also. And the brands who've collaborated with me, whether it's Zareen, whether it's Ritu Kumar, whether it's Roosaru. I'm so thankful to each one of you, and Taj of course, who've been with me in this journey. And I'm sure we're going to have some beautiful photos that I will be sharing with you guys on my blog post. But look at everyone all tired, and I think we should just move the camera and show everybody. And all smiles and okay, and more and more. That's Anushka, who's now ready for the brunch. She's like all time ready for a party.
All time ready for brunch, but brunch ke liye ab late ho gaya.
Yeah, but Astha, we really missed you, and Mancha of course. But I don't know, this is like one of the best moments of my life right now, and I'm so thankful that it's all been possible because of this vlog, because of Guilty Bites, and thank you guys for making it possible for me. There's going to be a lot more that I'll be sharing from my wedding, so stay tuned to my channel. Make sure that you subscribe, hit like. You want to know anything about the outfit that we wore or our looks? Then yes. Oh, I forgot to thank the best partner we had for today was S Salon Rajouri Garden. These guys, they did fabulous hair and makeup that you saw. And oh, another one who's come, she's saying, why don't you thank me? Can you just oh, it's okay. She said you didn't thank me. Well, I thanked everybody who's in this room and those who were in the bathroom. Yeah. So I think it both works. And thank you guys. Stay tuned until next time. Bye.